I don't know how this is gonna go. Are you recording?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna cut off Wesley's curl. The one we're going to save. Sorry, big guy. So it's gonna be a little bit closer probably than the other ones. This is his curliest lock. If he manages to hold still. There it is. Curls. Your beautiful hair. Cut off.
There it is.
Let's see what damage Mommy did. She was. Help, Laura, help! I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, Mama's cutting your hair. I need you to just be patient.